Taiwan has now come forward to slam the World Health Organization by calling it indifferent to their rights. This after failing to get invited into a key meeting of the body. Taiwan has called out World Health Organization for surrendering to China. This after Taiwan's several failed attempts to access WHO's assembly. Now, however, it refuses to go back down and give in to Chinese pressure. In a joint statement by Foreign Minister Joseph Wu and Health Minister Chen Shih-chung, Taiwan's government has said that they would continue to seek participation. Taiwan has urged the WHO to maintain a professional and neutral stance, reject China's political interference. It has further asked WHO to allow Taiwan to join WHO meetings, mechanism and activities in order to protect the welfare of humanity and jointly combat disease. Wu has expressed regret at the WHO Secretary's continued indifference to the health right of Taiwan's 23.5 million people. Taiwan was invited to the WHO as an observer nation in 2008, and until 2016 it played an active role in all meetings. But things changed in 2016, the same year when Taiwan elected its new president, Tsai Ing-wen. Taiwan's observer status was revoked after 8 years due to the intense lobbying from the Chinese Communist Party. However, Taiwan's successful handling of COVID-19 for more than half a year has brought renewed attention to its absence from the WHO. US legislators have long called for Taiwan's return to the World Health Assembly, and this time even the G7 has come out in full support. Earlier in April, the Interparliamentary Alliance on China released a campaign video during the WHO to invite Taiwan back. They said if Taiwan is left out, we all suffer. China is standing up in arms against the world when it comes to Taiwan's re-entry to the WHO. On Friday, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson said, and I quote, "To safeguard its sovereignty and territorial integrity, China cannot agree to Taiwan's region's participation in the upcoming session of the World Health Assembly." Meanwhile, China says Taiwan can only take part if it accepts it as part of one China, and that only Beijing has a right to speak for Taiwan on the international stage, and Taiwan has in any case been given the access it needs during the COVID-19 pandemic. Amid the renewed calls for WHO inclusion, Taiwan has accused China of conspiracy to mar its chances. Earlier this week, a Taiwanese official accused China of spreading fake news about the COVID-19 situation on the island. The Deputy Interior Minister has said that Taiwan clearly felt the danger represented by Chinese propaganda and misinformation.
社会治理，维护社会和谐稳定，确保国家特色社会主义共同。